Howdy y'all, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with another Shake It, Scrap It, Create It. So this week's prompts were vellum, the number 2, and stamping. So I'm also going to combine this with How to Kill a Kit with Style. I am still using my Animal Cookies kit from Close to My Heart. I almost have it complete. So I already did my stamping because I needed time to dry. So I used this stamp set that I have. It has a bunch of different little sayings on it. And I used this ink and I stamped on my vellum. So, because you need it to not rub off. And then, here's my vellum. And I just stamped different sayings on the corners of it. And then I have my photo. This is my grandbabies in the little swimming pool we got them. I have some glitter gems I'm going to add. And then for my number 2, I am going to use 2 die cuts. So these were both from a swap. I don't know who made them. They didn't sign them, but they're super cute. I didn't make them though. And then this is my paper. It came like this. This is back in the day when Close to My Heart actually had pre-printed layouts that you could just throw your photos on, your title, and be done with it. So I'm going to use this one up. It's the last one that I have. And this one is going to be super simple to put together. So, I'm going to put my vellum down first. And I am going to use tape to hold it down. Now, I'm going to be putting my photo over this, so you're really not going to see the tape. So, that's the downfall of using vellum. You have to kind of just figure out where you can hide your tape or your glue, but tape does hold it down better. I'm going to put it on like this. And then I have my photo I'm going to put. And then I think I'm going to put this right here. And this sun up here. And I'm going to sprinkle around a few of these. It's going to be that simple. I know, hard to believe. But it comes together super quick. Once again, I'm going to just use tape since I'm taping it to vellum. These photos were from this past week. It has been super, super hot. And I mean, like this little pool, it's like, I think 3.5 foot deep or something like that. But it's been so hot. Even that water was hot. We had to literally empty some of it out and add cold water just to make it so they could actually get in it. And that's just crazy that it's that hot. So, I'm going to put this down. And every once in a while, I'll even pop stuff up to give it a little dimension. But I think I'm just going to glue all this stuff down flat this time around. I am covering up some of my words, but I don't mind. And then I have this little sun bling that I found in my stash. I've had for a long time and haven't used. I figured I would stick it on top of the sun on this die cut. Almost lined up perfect. And then I'm going to use some of these little glitter gems and just add finishing touches so that, because these are sparkly, so it's almost like little water drops. And that finishes up that whole pack of those. And those were Blue Veil glitter gems from Close to My Heart. So I don't have any more, and now I'm sad. But yay, I finished it up. So, that quick, y'all. A layout that quick. Okay, so we need to shape for next week's prompts. So, we got shapes, colors, numbers. And if you want to play along with Shake It, Scrap It, Create It prompts, come over and join the Facebook group so you can add your photo in the albums over there. And we got the number 4. And I do a drawing for Happy Mail at the end of every month with my other drawings. So just something to get you thinking outside the box. Techniques and tools and using what you have. Embossing folder, the number 4, and let's see what we got for embellishment. If you don't have a prompt that gets pulled, just substitute it with something that you do have. So acrylic or plastic shapes. So that also counts buttons because buttons are plastic. Well, most of them are. There are some wooden buttons out there. So acrylic or plastic shapes, embossing folder, and the number 4 is next week's prompts. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. And until next time, bye y'all.